If your ATV or UTV doesn't have spark, check your spark plug caps. Most of the time they're marked with a resistance value. So on this one you can see it's 5K. Set your meter to ohms and then put your plugs in, one end and then the other, and you should read something. If you don't read anything, then replace the spark plug cap. We'll try another one. Nothing. Try another one. That one has mega ohms. That's not the right value. Here's two brand new ones. Almost 5K. Here's the other new one. I bet we're gonna have spark now.